Hey Queens, if you clicked on this video, then you are probably super excited about the outlet drop on the 28th, just as I am. And Coach has been giving us little sneak peeks here and there on social media. So let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Dre, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the red bell so that you know every time I upload a new video or post on the community page. But guys, let's get into it. So we've been talking about this outlet drop now for the last few weeks, and Coach has really been doing a number on me. I wish that I would have had the foresight to take screenshots, but last week and even like the week before last, what I noticed was Coach was popping up on my Facebook feed, and it was showing me pictures of bags that are not yet available. And I would click on it to go to the website and nothing would pop up, or it would show it's sold out. But what they were doing was providing pics of some of the releases that are scheduled to drop on the 28th. And I'm kicking myself right now for not screenshotting everything that I saw on my feed. And I've been on there frantically this morning looking for stuff from Coach to see if I could get some screenshots to share with you guys. But of course, now that I need it, it's not there. So what I've done is I have gone to IG and TikTok and just looked at some of what the other creators have come up with. And so I don't want to steal anybody's intellectual property. I don't want to profit off of anybody else's hard work. So if I use pics, and I will be using pics that I did not screenshot or take myself, I will make sure to credit the creator that I got the pics from. And there's one in particular who was on IG, and she had a few different collages of different pieces that are going to be released by Coach. So I'm gonna just go ahead and share it with you. It has her watermark on it. It's all over it. So again, I just want to make it clear to you guys that these are not my pictures. I did not take these pictures. I was not smart enough to screenshot what Coach was sending me 2 weeks ago. And now that I want it, it's not there. So I'm having to use someone else's. But I wanted to show you guys these pictures just so you can have some reference point of what I'm going to be talking about. So the first thing that I noticed with Coach is that it looks like they're going to be releasing a few things on the 28th. So of course, everybody is talking about the denim drop because all of the previous denim drops with Coach and retail have been wildly successful, and they've made some pieces that were really cute and, to be honest, timeless. These denim pieces that Coach has been coming out with are not trendy in the sense that they won't be cute 4, 5, 6 years down the line. Like, these pieces will definitely still be fashionable. So Coach has done a really good job with designing these pieces. The thing is, though, of course, y'all know with the outlet drops, everything is almost like limited. Once it's gone, unless you can get it on resale. And y'all know these resellers are just busting heads on the prices. So buying something from the Coach outlet on the resale market, 7 out of 10 times is going to be a no-go because the prices are just going to be ridiculous. Like, I've seen some of the powder pink Rowans from last spring on eBay for like $600 and up. So it is ridiculous. But Coach is giving us powder pink again this year. So we're going to talk about that first. Now, when I was in the outlet a couple of weeks ago, I was talking to one of the essays, and we were talking about the peony. And it was so close to me to the powder pink that I was wishing I would have had some powder pink pieces on me so that I could compare. And once I got back home and looked at my powder pink pieces, I realized that the peony is quite a bit darker than the powder pink. The powder pink really is more of a pastel than the peony. But anyway, she told me that Coach never redoes a color. Like, once it's gone, it's gone. And that has been my experience, but I guess they are not considering this powder pink drop a redo because the powder pink pieces are going to have the brown leather trim. Guys, this is just super, super cute, and it's making it increasingly difficult for me to select what I want. So we're going to take a look first at the Rowan. So it looks like they're going to offer the Rowan in both sizes, the large and the regular size for the powder pink. But y'all, look at how gorgeous that looks with the brown trim. Just super, super pretty. And I don't know if the charms are going to come on the bags. These are the pictures that I got off the internet, but it looks super pretty with the charm. Like, right there, I probably wouldn't do anything else to it. I also like the strap, that the strap is also the brown color. And for all of you girlies who were lucky enough to get a Rowan in the powder pink, then you would have the option of switching out. If you just had to have the powder pink with the brown trim, you could possibly switch out your straps. Let's say you wanted to use the web strap that came on the larger Rowan, then you could do that on this one. And I think it would look super cute, especially since the hardware is matched. Looks like they're also going to give us a snap wallet, and the snap wallet is going to have a really cute, it looks like a tea rose charm on the zipper pull. Super, super cute. Looks like they're going to also give us the Molly tote. So it looks like they're going to give us a piece for, basically everything that they would normally do. So it looks like they are going to give us powder pink in all of the main staple pieces with Coach. Now, I have not seen the city tote. I don't know if they're going to do a city tote or not, but I do see the station tote and the Molly tote. Of course, they're going to give us a corner zip wristlet and the newer notebook with a brown leather trim on it and the pencil case. And we can't forget about the zip card case with the brown leather. It also has a tea rose charm on the chain. This is just super cute, really adorable. And y'all, I didn't get a Rowan from the powder pink collection just because I thought it would be redundant since I had the P9 Speedy in the pink. And now that they have brought back the powder pink with the brown trim, I think it's even more redundant for me to get something from Coach. But y'all, since the Louis Vuitton was sent to me, and y'all know the story on that, we don't have to get into that, I'm still kind of wanting to get the powder pink because I think I would wear it. I haven't worn that P9 yet, but I think I would definitely wear the powder pink, and I would want the Rowan in that. So let's move on to the denim. Now, guys, the denim pieces, are going to be super nice. And again, it looks like they're going to give us every staple in this loved denim. I am absolutely in love with the Rowan, both sizes. And there's no way I can afford to get everything I want out of this drop. Y'all know I don't even have a job at this point, so I probably shouldn't be getting anything, but I have to get at least 1 or 2 pieces. So for me right now, it looks like I will be getting the regular size Rowan. And I'm sharing these pics. I just want to keep reiterating that these are not my pics. And some of the pics, as you see, will have the watermark from the creator. I don't want to try to take that off because she needs to get credit for these pics. And I am just using them so that you guys know what I'm talking about in case you haven't been on social media like me, because these pieces have been all over TikTok and Instagram. But the Rowan in the denim also comes with a charm. So it's going to have like a different color hang tag, that really pretty pop of pink, and it's going to have the key on it. And then, of course, the detachable strap. Now, I'm assuming that the strap is adjustable like all of the Coach straps are, but from the pictures, it's really difficult to tell whether or not the strap is going to be adjustable. It looks like they're going to also give us the Laurel. I would love, love, love to have the Laurel because I missed out on the Laurel when they did the signature denim drop last year. And I said that if they offered a denim Laurel again, I would grab it. But y'all, I can only get one bag, and I just don't know what I'm going to get. But the Laurel looks like it's going to come with a star charm and then 2 hang tags, a pink and a purple, and then something else. But then they're also going to give us a backpack, of course, the Terry, and it has a lot of charms on it. So the Terry, it looks like it's got 2 hang tags, a star charm, and then a key charm. And they're also doing the denim in the tour tote. Now, the tour tote is really nice. I like the strap on the tour. It looks to be more comfortable. And then they're also going to do a snap wallet in the denim. But what I wasn't able to snatch pictures online from were things that I saw in my Facebook feed with Coach. So in addition to the loved denim, I also saw black and red denim in a few different pieces. And it looks like, I took notes here, that I saw red and black denim in the Evelyn and the Faye. So those are things that we probably want to look out for if you want something in red denim. Those are the 2 things that I saw on my Facebook feed from Coach that really stood out. It looks like they are going to do some pieces in red and black denim as well. But like I said, with the exception of the Faye and the Evelyn, I don't know what other pieces they're going to give us the red and black denim in. But there are 3 silhouettes that I have not seen, and I'm just wondering if any of you guys have seen them. And this is the slim crossbody, the Ashton, and the mini city tote. I'm just wondering what Coach plans on doing with those three silhouettes, if they're going to give us powder pink, the love denim, red and black denim, or all of them. So after I finished filming, I found some more denim silhouettes. So it looks like they are giving us the Faye, the Evelyn, and the Claire in the love denim. We also have the Hadley, the Station tote, and the Hadley backpack. And then a line I completely forgot about, that newspaper line. I think that will also be dropping on the 28th. But I didn't want to leave that out because we need to be prepared before we go to these outlets. So when I go to the outlet on Wednesday to get my pieces and film what's in the store, I hope and pray that the essays that were there the last time I was there, at least one of them is there on Wednesday, so that I can talk to them about getting pics and, you know, just information a little before the drops, so that I can give it to you guys straight for me, and not getting information from other creators. But comment down below if you have information that I don't have, because anything right now is helpful. I would appreciate any comments about anything that you guys may have seen online. And also let me know in the comments if you plan on shopping this drop and what you're gonna get. Thank you so much again for watching, and don't forget, if you're gonna get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.